After a year, this pandemic is now included in our lives. Honestly, what do I learn beside my continuity of being careful and mindful of my surroundings, wearing of mask, disinfecting, washing my hands, even if I see others don't seem to care anymore if they get sick or not. Here are my confessions that I learned after a year. First is money. It is really a must that you save money. We can't depict times like this, that we needed emergency fund, because if you lost your job or your work, hours or lesson means your income will not be enough for the bills payment. If you or a family member got sick, the hospital bills will drain your pocket. The necessary home and food essentials that will make you get through until the time you have money coming in again. So, it is best to keep not necessarily big amounts. Small ones are okay as long as you save something from your earnings. Next, walk through these trying times. Feel the pain, the depressions, or sadness, but never let yourself stay. Just walk the grieving process. Life will always be a share of downs and ups. It's not all hardships and trials, nor magical or everyday happiness. This will make us a person on how to deal the next level decisions of life that you will come across. Just remember to be grounded and the applicable life lessons you pick up and makes you as a better person that got you to the present. Third is time. The most neglected factor before the pandemic. We have lived in a fast-paced life that we forgot to value the small things, people, and precious memories around us. I used to value small and big things as the same. Like for a couple of minutes, then I forgot it. But now, I see them as a valuable factor in my life that I will cherish and carry in my heart as long as I live. So, please don't take time for granted. Time is not refundable. Use it with good intentions. Fourth is test of character. Not all people are real, really care, really love, really help. This pandemic, I lost friends, love, family, relatives. It let me see the real character I had towards them and what they to me also. People use people as long as they can use them. Words are just words. Depend on what you see in their actions. Be real and value the people who have been a blessing to you. Do not waste real love to people who can't keep up with the same or more love that you give, because the mental, physical, spiritual effect you are making an impact to another person is a life that he or she will become as a human being. And lastly, God. This is the best blessing I have received during this pandemic time. Honestly, I know God, I pray, I go to church, but not really in my heart and mind until the other learnings came. I am still a work in progress, and that is okay as long as I can now remind myself every day that my life should be more of Him and less of me. God's plan is the perfect time. This is my walk, not because of what others told me to do or become. This is my season, my perfect time, given to me by God to know and praise Him more.